My son Louis is 15 years old, so he's 16 in May and due to transition from secondary school to college. He's hoping to do his A-levels at Cardiff and Vale College rather than stay on at school, so we're looking at how we can make that transition easier for him. Louis has a diagnosis of Asperger syndrome, mild to moderate, but he's been in mainstream school throughout his schooling life and has done really well. He's been very supported by the schools. He wants to be a train driver, so we're not too sure whether apprenticeships will be around in a few years or what opportunities will be there for him, but hopefully the A-levels will give him a good standing for his career. When he was diagnosed, it was just finding out information, who could support us. I found the National Autistic Society very helpful, went to lots of their workshops, met other parents. I also went to local support groups. So we joined Barry Beaver's Disabled Swimming Club, which is a club for children and adults with all sorts of disabilities and chronic conditions, and just talking to the parents there. And we were just about to get into the old PIP scenario, so I've been talking to some people in the swimming club who've got older children and have gone through the process. So, they've reassured me what I need to do. You can look on websites and you can read information, but when you've actually spoken to other parents, it's a lot easier to understand the process, especially when they've been through it themselves. Join any local support group, really, where parents meet, because they are just a fountain of knowledge of what's around locally and nationally to support you.